Hey guys, it's Technan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you on how you can install Windows 11.4 H2. So I'm going to show you two methods. The first one is open your settings, go to Windows, update, then you're going to see some updates. Then the second one is open your web browser, search for Windows 11 ISO. Okay, the next going to lead you to this page where it shows the official Microsoft website. Just click on it. So as you can see, the current release is Windows 11.4 2024 update version 24 H2. So I'm going to show you on how you can download the ISO. Okay, so just select it. Windows 11 ISOs for ARM64 devices will be made available in the coming weeks. So just click on download, validating your request. Next, choose the language that your current operating system is using. So as for me, I'm using English International. Then click on confirm. Done.